guys, today I'm going to teach you how to make a paper squishy. First, you're going to need a piece of paper, scissors, and a pen to sketch out your squishy. So first, we're going to need the pen. After you sketch out your squishy, you're going to want to cut it out with scissors. After you cut it out, you're going to want to get some cotton. And also, if you don't have any cotton at your house or apartment building, you could use tissues instead. I'm going to use cotton. And next, you're going to want to tape some sides of your squishy so that the cotton won't spill out. Now all you gotta do is stuff it with cotton. Now, tape the side where you stuffed the cotton from. And now you're done. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.